Hi everyone! In one of my recent videos, I created a cloudy background using some cardboard clouds and stamping color pads. I got a tutorial request, so I decided to make one. In that video, I used a pre-made cardboard cloud from a notebook cover. This time I'm going to create my own cloud cutout to use. I'm using some leftover cardboard from a sticker pack. I'm drawing and cutting out a cloud shape. A good thing about clouds is that it's hard to make a mistake because they can have any form you can imagine. I'm leaving some cardboard below the cloud for easier use. I'm going to use two colors, lighter and darker blue. If you don't have two, you can use one and press lighter for a lighter color and harder for a darker color. I'm creating an uneven or natural light background. It's smart to use a cover for your desk to avoid staining. Then I'm taking the darker color and using the cardboard cloud I created. Be careful not to fill in the entire light cloud shape, otherwise your clouds won't be visible. Try to stay as close as possible to the cardboard cutout for thicker clouds. And that's the end of this tutorial. I think this turned out great. If you want to see how I decorated the page using some broken shells, continue watching. If you like journaling and scrapbooking or just enjoy the sound of paper crafts, please like and subscribe. Thank you!